Hello class, today I'm going to teach you about simple interest. So here's some vocabulary that we need to understand. So interest is the money that you pay or that you earn for using or lending money. Okay, so if you have money in a bank account, you are getting interest, you are getting paid, the bank is paying you saying thank you for using our bank, we're going to give you a little bit of extra money. Really is not much. Okay, if you need to take out a loan for a car, a mortgage, whatever you need to take out a loan for, the bank says, we're going to give you money, we're going to loan you the money, but you have to pay interest on top of that. So you're going to be paying extra, okay? The principal is the amount of money that you borrow or that you put in. That's called the principal. Okay, so here's a simple interest formula, okay? Simple interest is only on the principal, okay? So simple interest, I equals PRT. So the interest is the I, the P is the principal, the R is an annual interest rate and it's in decimal form, and the time is in years. So keep that in mind. T is time in years. So if you're given months, you have to put it over 12. Okay, finding a balance. So you deposit $500 in a savings account. The account earns 3% simple interest. What is the balance in 3 years? So let's write the formula. We'll substitute in. I equals PRT. Well, you deposit $500. So that's your principal. So underneath the P, put 500. Do you know the rate? Yes, you need to put it as a decimal. 0.03 is 3%. And the time is 3 years. Okay, so that's going to show us our interest. So 500 times 0.03 times 3, I got my interest to be $45. So now, what is the balance in my account? So I put in $500, I earned $45, so now my balance in the account is now $545 after 3 years. So we're just substituting in for what we know. Okay, what is the balance in the account after 9 months? So we're going to use the previous example. So I equals principal times rate times time. So the principal was $500. The rate was 3%. This time it's for 9 months. So we're going to put 9 over 12, whereas you know is 3/4 of a year. So when we multiply all of that out, we will get $11.25. So now I have $500 plus my $11.25 of interest. So now I have $511.25 in my account. Okay, great job. Okay, finding the annual interest rate. So we're still using the formula, plugging in for what we know. So I write it out every single time. I equals principal times rate times time. You deposit $1,000. Okay, so that's my principal. The account earns $100 simple interest. So that is the interest in 4 years. What is the annual interest rate? So I don't know the R, but I know my 4 years. So now I just solve it. So that's 4,000 times R equals 100. So we need to divide by 4,000. Divide by 4,000. Remember, 0 in the numerator, 0 in the denominator. It's like dividing by 10. Dividing by 10. So here we have 1/40 equals R. And if you do 1 divided by 40, you'll get a decimal, 0.025. And now we need to move the decimal to change it to a percentage rate. So you earn 2.5%. That's your rate. Not very good, but that's okay. Okay, finding the amount of time. So, a bank offers 3 kinds of savings accounts. The simple interest rate is determined by the principal. How long does it take an account with a principal of $800 to earn $100 interest? So let me write the formula. Interest equals principal times rate times time. So what do I know? We have a principal of $800. So I look at my pictures here. Let's find the rate. So $800 falls right in here, so it's 2%. So 0.02. Do we know the time? No, that's what we're trying to find. But we know the interest is $100. So 800 times 2 hundredths is 16t equals 100. And then divided by 16, divided by 16. So the time is 6.25 years. That's how long it'll take you to earn $100 in interest. Or you could say 6 years, 3 months. Good job. Okay, you borrow $600 to buy a violin. The simple annual interest rate is 15%. You pay off the loan after 2 years of equal monthly payments. Okay, how much is each payment? So I equals PRT, principal times rate times time. I borrowed $600. My rate was 15% for 2 years. So let's find the interest. So pause the video, figure that out. I got $180. So now we have our $600 plus our $180 that we owe. So we owe $780 divided by the 24 months. That gives us $32.50 that we owe per month for this violin. So $32.50. I hope this video helped you understand about simple interest. Have a great day.